Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. No. Listen, y'all. That's not how I really scream. I was just, my throat felt a little scratchy. And, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. Uh, I was just clearing out my vocals. Just making sure that they work in case I need them. Yeah, something tells me y'all don't believe me. But you tell me, okay? You wouldn't think this was like creepy, scary? You wouldn't think this was? I feel like I'm gonna have nightmares now. I really think I'm gonna have nightmares now. What it do, YouTube? And welcome back to my channel. Okay, Nay, you need to stop, girl. You be too much. Alright, guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. And if you don't already know by the title of this video, hello to another reaction video. And this title of the video is called Do Not Watch This Video at Night. Man, you know we is clucking up when we start watching a video like this. Damn, Nay, you need to get your shit. You need to get your shit ready. I hope that you enjoyed this video, okay? Remember, y'all can watch it in the daylight while I watch it in the dark. Alright, let's get into it. Dark tones. Okay. Alright. It does say don't watch this video at night. So I will turn off all the lights in my place, and I will use this small little light that I got on the side so that you guys can still see me, because there's no way I'm going to react to this video and you guys can't even see my reaction. What is the whole purpose of that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and get up and I'm going to turn off the light, and then we is going to get into it. They even got a countdown for us. Damn. Okay. What does it say up there? Rules. Hey, they about to say the rules then. Okay. Well, before we get into the rules, let me go ahead and shut the lights off. Oh yeah. It's all types of dark. Can't even see the damn chair. Alright, let me set up my light so y'all can see me. Bam! Y'all can see me. Alright. This is a little it's a little creepy the way how it's shining on me though. I wonder if I could set that in a different way. Set that up so that y'all can see me. That ain't. Oh. Okay. Hello. Alright, guys. So I have a little light right here so that you guys can see my reaction. I'm in a dark room, so let's get into it. Okay, hold on. This is going pretty fast. Lights off, headphones on, no hiding in the comment section. Alright, hold up. I ain't got no headphones at the moment. I ain't got no headphones, okay? I kid you not. I'm hearing shit. Don't slice and dice me because I ain't got no headphones. I'm going to try to have it as loud as possible. I'm going to try to pause it as much. I mean, I'm going to try not to pause it as much, but if I have to talk, then I'll pause it just so that you guys can hear me, because the volume might be a little too loud. But, okay, let's get into it. Level 1. Ew. Okay, that's creepy. Okay, if I saw this, whether it was down the block, in an alley, in the woods, I wouldn't be taking no damn picture. What be going through people's heads? Like, this is why sometimes I believe that this shit be fake, because okay, maybe some people love thrill, okay? But when it comes to shit like this, if I'm seeing some buku kuduku shit that look like it could kill me, I ain't gonna stand there and take a photo. I'm gonna look the other way, okay? I'm a skadoot do. I ain't gonna be flash, flash, Mr. Man. Flash, flash. No puedo, no puedo. Oh, ew. No, I'm struggling. The struggle's real. Okay, so we did good, okay? We did good. What? What was that? What, do you even count that? What was that? It was just... That's all I heard. And someone breathing by the camera. What? Okay, it's cool. Alright, alright, alright. Level completed, right? Level completed. Okay. The fuck? Ew. What? Oh, that's nasty. Oh my god, that's creepy. Mmm. Shut the fuck up. I feel like a jump scare is about to happen. Hell no. Hell to the nah. Hell to the nah. Ooh, what did I tell you? Jesus. Jesus, take the wheel. Alright, so they got ads in this video. We're gonna let this ad go by. Nah. Nah. Okay, I'm gonna be real. Not all. Some of these stuff that we're watching looks really fake. But you have to put yourself in that situation where, what if you were alone and it was dark, and you heard a noise, and when you looked up, that's what you saw. I ain't gonna lie, I'd probably be scared. Even if it wasn't fucking real, I would probably be scared because, come on now, the jump scare. I mean, like, you think you're alone, and you're not, and then some shit happens, like lights flickering or somebody being in your closet or some shit. That's scary. That's some scary shit. Stop. What is this? No. No, not the children. Not the children! Oh, hell. Ew. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. Mm-mm. Thank the Lord that level is complete. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. No. Listen, y'all. That's not how I really scream. I was just, my throat felt a little scratchy. And, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. I was just clearing out my vocals. Just making sure that they work in case I need them. Yeah, something tells me y'all don't believe me. But you tell me, okay? You wouldn't think this was, like, creepy, scary? You wouldn't think this was? I feel like I'm gonna have nightmares now. I really think I'm gonna have nightmares now. Of me in a hallway, looking down a dark hallway, looking out of a damn, whatever it was, a window or a door with a window, and then slowly looking over and seeing somebody in my motherfucking face. I'ma swing. I ain't gonna be recording you. I'm gonna be like, pop, 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 pop. And then I'm gonna run. And then I'm gonna run. I'm gonna do the Dougie. I'm gonna skadoodle. I'm gonna, okay? Blah, 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 blah. Jeez Louise. Comment down below on what you think. Oh, sorry. Comment down below on what you think you would have done if you was in this situation. Just saying. No! You don't... Okay. I know what this... I've seen this before. I've seen this before. I don't know if it's 100% true, but apparently it's somebody that, like, sees stuff. They're like a schizophrenic or something like that. I could be 100% wrong. And they were hallucinating, and this is basically what they saw in their hallucination. But don't hold me against that because I could be 100% wrong. But if you do know the story to this video, comment down below. is pretty scary, to be honest. Like, imagine if you were in this situation. You know you're not crazy, but all of a sudden you see like what looks like arms, giant arms, or like little tentacles, hands, whatever you want to call it, eyeballs coming out of the wall, just like looking at you. In your mind, you see it, but no one else does. You know you're not crazy, but yet all the stuff that you're seeing makes you feel crazy. Like, imagine if you couldn't leave that, if you were trapped. And oh my lord, my guitar scared me. Jeez Louise. Just imagine, like, put yourself in their shoes. It wouldn't be no cup of tea. I guarantee you that. Okay. Oh, I know. I just ruined this clip right here for you guys. This part. But apparently, what they say about this video, this particular video right here, is that what that was that we just saw was supposedly, it was a Christmas tree that was in the room. So he was in one room and he went to another room. They had a Christmas tree and it was just a Christmas tree, but to him, it looked like something that was like coming alive. It had like a whole bunch of hands and a face and stuff like that. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it was just like for an experiment of something. I don't really know the backstory of this clip, but if you do, like I said, comment down below. And you never know. We might talk about more. I mean, we might talk more about this video, this clip, if you guys are interested in wanting to know exactly the backstory of this little video clip. So I went back a little bit so that you guys can be able to see that part. What in the world? What the hell? That can't be real. There's no way that that's real. And then you record their reaction though? Hold up. Hold up. Oh, no. I need to know. I have questions, okay? So, you just so happen to be chilling. You just so happen to be chilling, okay? And then next thing you know it, some lady that y'all don't even know is legit just waving at you, right? I can't even think straight. And then the lady jumps and the subway train comes and hits them. But yet the person is recording. I mean, you're gonna take the time to grab those people's reactions though. And the time of like shock and craziness, like, I don't know. That's just too much. I don't think I can do that. Boom, get hit. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. there's no way. I don't know. Like, is there a body? Is the body there? Is there blood? Did the body get splooshed? Is is this like on the news? I don't know. What? Whoa, wait a minute. What? Whoa, what are we looking at here? Whoa. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me put some nene in it. No. Hold up. Is that her?
Ladies and gentlemen,
We're gonna wait for this ad. You lie? Uh-uh. What the hell is going on? I don't know. To be honest, if I was in this situation, I'm gonna be real. If I was in this situation, you gotta understand, it looks like they're in the middle of nowhere. So if I was in the motherfucking middle of nowhere and this person is wearing what looks like a gown from like back in the day, okay? The hair is down looking like the damn Grudge, okay? And obviously they don't give a flying fuck on how many people are in this vehicle, if they have guns or not, and they're just with their own self flaunting up and down in front of this vehicle. Obviously you can see that the person that's driving puts on their lights and they flicker back and forth, you know, showing like a sign to the person, I guess, to like, you know, move aside, we're trying to get through. And this person is still recording. They mumbling something, I'm not too sure what, but I'm telling you right now, this is like a setup. This look like a setup. If you continue to stay there any longer, God knows only what the hell is gonna end up going down. But I mean, if you have to hit a bump in the road in a scary situation like this, then do so. Okay? Then do so. If you have to act like you about to drive hella fast up to that person just for them to get out of the way, then do it. If they still don't get out of the way, then try to drive around them or something, because this looked like a setup. There's probably people in the bushes or whatever you want to call all that, the dirt and shit. There's probably people in the dark just waiting to pounce on them, and God knows only what the hell can be happening. Then again, it could just be a prank. This person has like a cane or something. This person sounds like they're alone. I have questions. See, once that person would have moved to the side, I would have took off. I would have hella took off. I wouldn't be pointing in my light at this vehicle. Hell no. Get the hell out of here. Damn, there's a level 5? Well, I mean, I legit thought there was about to be a level 5, but if that was level 5, then I guess you could say we kind of passed it, or maybe you passed it and I kind of didn't pass it, but then again, I still made it to the end of the video, so I get some type of credit, right? I get some type of credit. Come on now. Let's see, is this like officially like the end? Yes. Okay, YouTube, you already know what to do to show some love. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoy this video, if you have a certain video you want me to see next, go ahead and comment down below. Leave the link down below. I'll leave this YouTuber's link in the description. So in case you want to watch this video all over again or any other videos that they have, you can freely be able to go do that. Go show them some love. This is pretty intense. I enjoyed watching it. Some of the stuff looked it real. Some of them, the stuff didn't look real. But you go ahead. You be the judge. You comment down below. You let me know what you would have done if you were in that type of situation. And, yeah. I'll see you in the next one, YouTube. Yeah.